Okay, girls. Come on. There we go. So happy. So happy. Now I'm going to be planting stuff. And you need to, hey, you need to stay out of the potatoes. You've been told many times. Yep. Yeah. Hi, buddy. You're skinnier than the last one. I got something for you. Hey, it's spinach. Girls, you want some spinach? Huh? Get some spinach. Like, nope. Hey, didn't I just say that Mary couldn't be in here? Rose, come on. Hey, you know, I had C's in there at one time. Yep. It's all worth it, you guys. It's all worth it. They're happy. Yep, eat my weeds. Eat them up. Do the dogs even know? You guys? Yeah. She's all watching. She's like, "Ooh, that smells good. That smells good." Come back. Remember to plant kindness, to grow love, and God bless. Have an awesome day. Woo! I know you will. And until next time, bye-bye.